Hey, what's up, XRP holder? This is warning for all XRP holder. XRP holder, be alert because exactly the current condition is going to be very good now, but after a very critical situation, my friends. So this is warning for all holder. If you do this mistake, you are completely in the loss now. So be safe from loss, my brother, and watch this video. Please, before I get started this video, I'll request you to like this video and subscribe this channel for more this type informative videos. Hope you like and subscribe. This time, remember, you can see here the last 1 hour chart is on the screen at 0.02%. the price is increased now, and here if you can see here the highest price as 0.8 USD dollar. So it's meanwhile to XRP is in the profit, and I hope, my friend, in this month, in the June, they will easily hit now 1 USD dollar. So is it possible? Absolutely, my friend. I am 100% sure they will hit now, and I tell you, my brothers, to this is possible. So what you say, can this is possible? Please tell me in the comment box. And if I pretty care, my friend, this coin so exactly in the future will be bright now, and they will go up in the moon now. So it's priority from all coin, my brother. This time in the crypto market, just in only it's a need to hold now. If you hold exactly, my friend, there is a more chances they will move up for now, and they will wake up now. So let's see, my brothers, to what they do. But kindly holders, don't do this mistake. Don't starting selling. Just in only you need to hold and wait for a good time. I hope the XRP price will be increased now, but just in only it's need, my brothers, to you hold it now. So thanks for watching, holder. Please like this video and subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification.